Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add stickers and emojis in the VLLO app to make your videos more fun and engaging. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, you can create a new project or open an existing one. By default, VLLO opens in the audio section of the timeline. At the bottom menu, tap on the graphic option right next to the audio. Once the graphic opens, you will see options like sticker, frame, particle, and drawing and save. Within the option, tap stickers. To use a VLLO sticker, you first need to download it. Simply tap on the stickers that you want and it will automatically start to download. Once downloaded, simply tap on the sticker and it will be added to your clips. Keep in mind that some stickers are free while others are paid or premium. If you switch to Giphy section, you will see large collection of animated GIFs in different categories. For Giphy section, you don't need to download as you can just tap on them to add. After adding a sticker or emoji, you can just resize them by using the pins gesture as well as drag them to reposition it anywhere you want within the screen. After that, tap done. Within the bottom, you will see options like delete, transform, opacity, animation, effects, and speed. You can edit the sticker through the given option. And once you are done editing, tap down to save your changes. And that's how you can successfully add and customize stickers and emojis in VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.